Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Jeep Grand Cherokee faster. Let's start with some fundamental upgrades. A cold air intake can significantly improve airflow, potentially adding 5 to 10 horsepower. Pairing this with a performance exhaust system will further reduce back pressure, allowing your engine to breathe more freely. Finally, a performance tune or chip can optimize your engine's computer, unlocking additional power and torque for a noticeable boost in acceleration. Moving to more advanced modifications, forced induction is a game changer. A supercharger can add well over 100 horsepower, transforming your Jeep's performance. Upgrading your camshaft can also optimize valve timing, delivering more power, especially at higher revolutions per minute. Don't forget about your drivetrain. Re-gearing your differentials to a lower ratio will dramatically improve your Jeep's launch and overall acceleration. Beyond engine power, reducing weight and improving aerodynamics are crucial. Every 100 pounds removed can shave about 1/10 of a second off your quarter-mile time. Start by removing any non-essential items from your Jeep. Consider replacing heavy stock wheels with lighter aftermarket options. Additionally, improving your vehicle's aerodynamics, perhaps by removing a roof rack or adding subtle body kits, can reduce drag and enhance top-end speed. Finally, a holistic approach is key. Regular maintenance, including fresh engine oil and clean air filters, ensures your engine performs at its peak. With increased speed, upgrading your braking system becomes essential for safety and control. Don't overlook performance tires. They provide superior grip, ensuring that all your newfound power is effectively transferred to the road, giving you better acceleration and handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.